I just want to say right now, I already pretty much know this song. You feel me? What I'm saying? Like, when I heard this song so many times on stream when they was like promoting it. I guess they was doing or whatever, just vibing out to it. This bitch hard. He said, "I just wanna make love if I was you." He said, "I just wanna go." You feel what I said though? But one thing about DEZZ that I actually really fuck with, he himself in his own way with this Clover shit. Clover shit that they got that's going on. Like, I fuck with these group of niggas because Casanet a streamer. Tylil streamer. DEZZ is the rapper. Punga YouTuber. You feel me? They got their own little shit going on. I actually fuck with these niggas. Like, they remind me of how me and my cousins and my people be. Like, with cameras off. So I'm saying, so just to see them doing it with the cameras on and off, I know how it is being close friends or real brothers, like family like this, like niggas really locked in type shit. So I know how that shit really be. Like, that's why I fuck with DEZZ so much, bro. I gotta get DEZZ the utmost respect, bro. I wish him more success. You feel me? Like, keep going, DEZZ. Like, I fuck with your shit, gang. Like, no matter what nobody say, bro, you keep this shit going. And one thing about DEZZ, bro, he pressed all last year. So I'm saying, so this shit only finna get better and better for him. And a lot of people can't say, and I don't want to hear people say, "Oh, man, this because of Casanet." No, that man did that shit by himself. Them niggas be putting themselves in their own positions by themselves, bro. Casanet don't make them calls for them, bro. He just they main mans, and it just so happen to be Casanet who he is. I'm saying, so much love, much respect, more success to these boys, bro. Definitely my nigga DEZZ, like, to be in the music industry, having to go from nothing to, like, you feel what I'm saying? So much love. We finna hear that shit though.
I just wanna make love and ride with you.
I just
wanna die in the sky with you.
Yes!
I'd rather tell the truth than a lie with you.
Yes!
I would never play with feelings, baby, I'll try with you.
Uh-huh!
Never about pussy, it's never about sex, it's all about love.
Is it about?
I want the shit in your chest, I'm talking about your heart, babe, I want your trust.
Yeah!
Help, the way that we win it.
He say, hey look, that shit so funny, he say, yeah.
The way that we win it. But don't be selfish, bring your friends, we can have the fun. And she got a fetish for Gucci, and Malia Pucci.
Yeah!
And I got a fetish for Gucci, baby, seduce me. I just wanna see your body in a two-piece. She fucking with diamonds and rubies. That little mama a groovy. I think she did it, I'm stupid. Fly to Miami with Barbies. All bad bitches exotic. Shoes and they off Molly. Let's go for lifestyle, getting retarded. But I don't give a fuck if she with us, she vibey.
Oh, what he say?
Every time we fuck, I make it reach.
Wait, what he say? Hold on, he said, I don't give a fuck if she with us, she vibing.
Fly to Miami with Barbies. All bad bitches exotic.
Yes.
Shoes and they off Molly. Let's go boy lifestyle, getting retarded. But I don't give a fuck if she with us, she vibey.
Come here.
Every time we fuck, I make it reach like climate. I wanna put my dick on your lip like carbon.
Yes, come here.
Said I'm a rapper, no baby, I'm an artist.
Yeah.
Pin on your face, my personal Picasso.
Yeah.
I fell in with that good shit, I think I can leave it alone.
Hold on.
Climbing that pussy like Tarzan.
Hey, I think Tylil say he that bitch going crazy. He say he that bitch going crazy. He say what?
I fell in with that good shit, I think I can leave it alone. Climbing that pussy like Tarzan. Man, feel like Gina, would you love me like Mario? Won't play no game, would you know Atari?
Yes.
If that pussy water,
yes.
If you promise, baby,
yes.
Hold on. Would you fuck around, switch on me?
Huh?
Would you drop a dime on me? Would you tell all my gang?
What else?
Going big in my chain.
Oh, what is that?
You feel the same. Aren't you tired of fucking with lames? You only got yourself that you can blame. Do you love it when that pussy? Do you love it how the beat bang?
Huh?
I could just tell from the chills again. You love how I sing. I'm stuck in the trenches, won't lie. They made it out of project, made it out of pop. I foot it ain't next, nigga ain't no stopping. They didn't stop. I heard they pocket watch. I get a pocket rocket, ain't no trying. Them niggas watching, they be blind spine. These niggas ride with lawyer, my niggas is killers and they don't even be sworn. And the shit get really, my nigga.
What else?
Like doing time.
Huh?
Left in the line, a nigga gotta stay focused, stay on this grind. She got a fetish for Gucci, and Malia Pucci. And I got a fetish for Gucci, baby, seduce me. I just wanna see your body in a tube in the seat. She fucking with diamonds and rubies.
Hold on.
That little mama a groovy.
Hold on.
I think she did it, I'm stupid.
Yeah.
All bad bitches exotic.
Yeah.
Shrooms and they off Molly. This Clover boy lifestyle getting retarded. But I don't give a fuck if she with us, she vibey. And every time we fuck, I make it reach like climate. Sex.
He talking crazy about sex. Hey, look. Hey, look. Hey, look. Hey, yeah, this been hard. This been hard. You know DEZZ gotta have the vibes, bro. every video. He do that every video, gang. Hey, look. Shout out to my nigga DEZZ, man. Shout out to the Clover boys, man. This shit fire. You know what I'm saying? Fire! Fire! So I'm saying? Hey, this nigga hard, bro. Hey, y'all, the labels better get the calling now because if they wait too long, he gonna start wanting more money. He gonna want more money. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, I got a fat. Ooh, I don't want. Yeah. He say, party. That nigga was talking crazy on that bitch. That bitch, I gotta learn that bitch. Man, let me put that bitch on the playlist